Alright, time to unboxing. Dan kali ini Kak Dia, I have this Kinder Maxi Mix. Waktunya kita buka ya. Open, time to open. From where? From this. Kinder. What is this? Ooh. And then I have chocolate. One Kinder Country. One Kinder Choco Buns. And then one Kinder this. And then this Kinder Bueno. So I get 4. And this. Thank you.